So I'm Mike Mossel, I'm part of IFF. So IFF has been a company that's more than 100 years old. Originally started by selling fragrances and flavors. But since 2021 the bioscience part of DuPont was acquired. And I'm responsible for the sales of enzymes in the detergents industry, helping consumers to produce more sustainable detergents for also for the Kenyan market. And the goal for us, of us being here, is to introduce ourselves in Kenya and East Africa, because we are operating a lot in Europe and in North America, and in Africa we're not so well known. So this is why this exhibition is a very good opportunity for us to showcase us, IFF, as a supplier of enzymes. Based on the 2 days so far, we had so much interactions with customers, and there's so much interest of customers to try our enzymes. So what excites me is that I expect that in a year from now there will be a lot of customers using our enzymes in their detergents. And what I'd like to see is if I come here next year or in a couple of months, whatever, that I go to the supermarket or somewhere and I pick a detergent from the market and I look at the back and I know this contains one of our products. So here today we're not only here with IFF but also with IMCD. So IMCD is our channel partner in the East African region, and they help us basically to support customers here to have local stock, but also to go to customers on a day-to-day basis to showcase our products and give them help if they need it. So, and IMCD is our global partner, so we work with them in many other countries as well, but also here in Kenya. So what we are showcasing here is an ingredient, an enzyme, that helps consumers to do their laundry with more convenience. So basically less effort, less time, less scrubbing. And we do this by promoting our enzymes. And what excites me is that we developed a demo here that we can do live for the customers, where we can in 10 minutes show that by adding an enzyme you can remove your stubborn stains more easily. And it was a trial, so it's the first time we did it, so we did it here and it works very well. We're relatively new, so it's been so if you look at shifts in the market, I'm trying to compare it with let's say Europe or the Middle East, where I'm also responsible for. And I see in a way there's a lot of similarities, but I think one of the biggest differences in the Kenyan market is that this is all low temperature. So it's all hand wash, which is a different approach than, for me at least, than what I'm used to.